So here we are at Mitsukoshi, the gift shop slash mini department store at the Japan Pavilion. It's got really cool Japanese merchandise and stuff that you really can't find anywhere else here in the States. So really neat selection of stuff. I mean, everything from like stuffed animals and greeting cards to cups and mugs and what's it called, like dining dinnerware, stuff like that. Stuff for tea and everything, so super neat stuff. We got everything, more stuffed animals, a ton of purses and stuff, stationery. Apparently it's Epcot Festival of the Art related, so that's pretty neat. Yeah, there's a whole lot of stuff in here. Let's take a little gander around. Now, see, in this section here, you got a lot of Pokemon stuff. We got a whole wall of it right here, so more of the classic. What people think of when they think of Japanese culture. We got a lot more Pokemon stuff, so a ton
Either right out here or right out there. Okay.
As you can see, though, it's a huge store. I mean, it goes all the way down there and wraps to the left.
When it wraps to the left, though, that's when you get to the Epcot Kids Stop, though.
Okay, so yeah, so the Kids Hot Stop is all the way down there to the left. Yeah.
If you're here, you can just go straight in the center.
Yeah, I think there's like 4 different entrances just for this department store. But I mean, you got stuffed animals, you got shirts, and you got belts, and you've got.
If you are a big Mario fan, Sonic fan, Pokemon fan, this is the place to go because they have all the stuff imported from Japan.
There's a whole pearl stop here where you can get fresh pearls from oysters, which is really kind of neat. Yeah, look at that. That's so cool. I see right there, they're doing it on the screen. It's super neat. I mean, over here we got all these clocks and we got umbrellas and little kitschy items here. We have a very expensive jewelry store over there where you can get multi-$1,000 items. I mean, just the stuff here is $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, and then in the back there's stuff that's over 10 grand. So if you need some high quality Japanese jewelry, you can do it there. And once again, it's more and more lifestyle merchandise. You got bags, and you got purses and pouches and everything you can ever imagine. Over here you have a huge selection of umbrellas. You got socks, more shirts, a ton of interesting socks. They're not like your traditional socks. You got separate for your big toe and the rest of your toes. I've never had a pair of these. Let me know if you have. Those look pretty neat actually. I feel like those would be interesting feeling. A ton of socks, rain boots, you've got fans, you've got all kinds of good stuff. Over here you've got traditional sandals and shoes. Once again, the separate shoe for the rest of your toes and the big toes. That's really kind of interesting. We've got the wood sandals here. Yeah. I think these won't be too comfortable. They're very traditional Japanese style. And of course more bags, more umbrellas, and then we go into the very traditional section of the store with the bamboo-ish sandals over here, and tons of pants and komodos and stuff like that. Huge selection of them over here. And actually this section here is roped off because these are the very expensive ones. And if you want to try one on, please ask for assistance. And over here they have children's sizes, which is actually really neat. If your kid's interested in the culture, they have a whole cool array over there just for kids. You can see them on the display here, just miniature versions of them, which is super cute. And coming from the fans over there, and I've got all kinds of incense and stuff like that, and obviously it's in the store. So we started all the way down there. Now we're bending left a little bit, and the store just continues. I mean, you've got the incense here, which sometimes they burn. Right now they don't have any burning. We have we got the Daruma dolls here, some CDs of Japanese music. We've got, electronic accessories here. Or no, these aren't electronics. These are they're little boards you can ride on. You can see here they've got the wet noise there. And they have some Festival of the Arts exclusive dioramas, which is pretty neat. So they're Festival of the Arts. It's pretty cute. I got snow globes. All different kind of like houseware goods. You got like these little, I guess you'd say tapestries. They can hang off with really cool scenes on them. And of course, all the different bonsai trees you could ever imagine. Different sizes, shapes, price points. A whole selection on the back wall. Then of course we got over here some more. Continue from this little bend, we continue on the left-hand side, and here you got a whole bunch of housewares. You got bowls. I believe like handcrafted. They're like rock, made in Japan at least, which is pretty neat. Not too bad price wise, like $17, which is not too bad. You have a whole selection of like homeware goods, houseware, homeware, dinnerware, stuff like that. You got mugs, plates, you've got bowls, teapots, all the like. They come with like 4 cups, which is super neat. But yeah, whole array. And then if we continue from, so we started, let me see, right there we started, we came all the way here, this whole houseware section, and then it ends up in this corner here with a whole selection of Japanese food and candies and stuff. You know, everything from matcha sticks to, you know, a whole selection of chopsticks from plastic. We got wood, we got plastic, like a whole selection of chopsticks that we can see on the wall. Right there. And as we came along, just a ton of different candies and sweets and treats. Got rice cakes with bean jam. That would be very interesting to try. That looks, I don't know how that would taste. But it looks very interesting. Got this here, which I have absolutely no idea. It's something chestnut. It looks interesting. It's only $5 and it's almost a pound of food. That's probably not too bad price-wise. And got peppermint candies and all that kind of fun stuff. And there's a ton of different candies and stuff. You know, see this whole entire section with just candies and foods and stuff. And of course the famous, I believe this is the green tea Kit Kat, which is very popular. So people really do enjoy that. And then of course high chew and stuff like that. Not as unique, but still, you know, they got it here if you want it. And sake, and then actually a little sake bar in the back. And then if we exit from the sake bar and continue this way here, we end up at the Kit Kat location, which is actually by the far entrance at the top. So we start, this is like the back of the pavilion, so we start all the way out down there by the pagoda. And if you come all the way in, the Kit Kat stop is right there by the entrance of the sake bar and all the food. Actually, to the left, there's a little gallery of Japanese art, Japanese culture, food culture, kawaii. They have a whole exhibit, which will be another video, but that's super neat. So we entered Mitsukoshi from there, but if you follow the pavilion, you see how it goes all the way back under the pagoda there, under like the gate entrance. Yeah, if you can take that all the way back, there's gonna be so many more entrances into that giant store. I mean, it takes up this entire pavilion basically. Up there you have Tapanito, which is like a shared table where they cook in the center, have all your food in the center of the table, and Tokyo Diner is a more traditional restaurant. And if you continue this way, you're gonna see the entrance to Mitsukoshi right there as well, and then the back part here, which is like the entrance by like the sake bar and all the other food options, and where the kawaii culture exhibit is. It's like through these gates and then through those doors. So you go straight back, it's like the sake bar and all the food, and the back part of the store, and then to the left is gonna be the exhibit.